AI tools are everywhere these days. ChatGPT, Grammarly, Paperpal, and honestly, it becomes very confusing which one to actually use. We already made a video on Grammarly versus Paperpal to see which one is better for academic writing. But the next big question is, how does Paperpal compare to ChatGPT? Both are AI tools, but they are built for very different people. ChatGPT is like your creative all-rounder, but Paperpal is built for research and academic writing. So in this video, let's compare both of them and see which one helps you write better. Let's start with writing and editing. Both ChatGPT and Paperpal can improve grammar and fix sentences, but they work very differently. Here's a paragraph I pasted into ChatGPT. Now to correct it properly, I have to give prompts and sometimes go through multiple rounds just to get it close to what I want. But even then, it's not guaranteed that it's 100% correct. Also, even after the grammar is fixed and the sentences are corrected, the overall tone is very casual, like I'm reading a blog or email. Now let's look at the same paragraph in Paperpal. Here, all corrections appear automatically in the edit section and you just have to address and correct each one of them. And if you want to paraphrase or rewrite your text differently, Paperpal has dedicated modes for that, so that you can adjust your text while keeping the meaning intact, like make academic to adjust the tone for research papers, simplify to make sentences clearer, or change tone to change the overall tone of your text. Verdict: for general writing, ChatGPT works fine. But for academic and research writing, Paperpal is the clear choice here. Next, let's see how these tools handle research. ChatGPT can give information and even generate references, but here's the problem. It uses general internet info. So sometimes the sources are wrong or not even relevant. You always have to double check everything. Also, it doesn't format citations, so you have to do that manually. Here I asked ChatGPT for references on a topic. It gave some links and citations, but a few are outdated or not accurate. Plus, I'd have to manually format them in the style I want. Paperpal, on the other hand, uses only academic trusted sources. The references suggested by Paperpal are reliable, real, and accurate. On top of that, you can insert citations directly in your document, already formatted in the style you want. Here's the same text in Paperpal. It found references from real research papers, and I can instantly add them into my research paper with correct formatting. Verdict: for reliable research and easy citations, Paperpal wins here. Next, let's talk about plagiarism and AI-generated content, which is very important for students and researchers. ChatGPT doesn't have a built-in plagiarism checker. You also can't track AI-generated content, so you don't know if the produced text might be flagged as AI-generated. Paperpal makes this much easier. Its plagiarism checker is now integrated into the editor itself, so you can check for plagiarism on the go while writing. On top of that, Paperpal's AI footprint feature lets you keep a track of all the content generated by Paperpal's AI, giving you full control over originality and keeping your paper authentically yours. Here's a paragraph in Paperpal. I just go to the checks menu, then click plagiarism checker and instantly get a detailed report with exact matches. I can also check the AI footprint to see which parts were generated by Paperpal's AI, so I know my work is fully under control. Verdict: for reliable, plagiarism-free, and AI trackable writing, Paperpal is the winner here. Another big difference is preparing your paper for submission. ChatGPT doesn't have any tools to check if your paper is ready for submission. It can help you write, but it won't tell you if the formatting, language, and structure of your paper meets the submission requirement. Paperpal goes much further. It has a journal submission and AI review built right in. With the journal submission check tool, you can analyze your paper over 30 technical parameters like formatting, references, structure, and more, and get detailed evaluation on how to fix any possible issues with them. Then the AI review tool, on the other hand, acts as a virtual research coach. It provides feedback on various aspects like clarity, academic tone, readability, and more. And I can even give custom prompts to get some feedback on the areas I'm doubtful about. Here's my paper in Paperpal. I click journal submission check and instantly got a full report on formatting, clarity, and overall readiness for publication. Plus, the AI review gives feedback on structure and tone in one click. Verdict: if you're looking to submit your paper, you just can't miss Paperpal submission tools. So, who's the final winner here? If you are into academic or research writing, Paperpal is the clear choice here. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is an all-rounder for email, blogs, or general writing. So, at the end of the day, it totally depends on the writing style you have to target. But if research and academics are your focus, Paperpal is the way to go. That's why, to unlock its full potential, make sure you buy the Prime version. Till then, if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such comparos. And I'll catch you in the next one.